on over here? So guys, this is how this day looks like. As you can see, it's bumper to bumper traffic. My goodness. And this is how the lakes looks like. The rivers are still frozen over here in Pittsburg. That's how cold it was the previous week. But now you can see how bad this place looks like. It's actually bumper to bumper. So this is Fort Pitt Bridge. This is Fort Pitt Bridge. You can see, guys, how bad this place looks like. It's a rain day, and of course your Uncle Len is bringing this footage live for you guys to see what is happening on the roads. And it's just only 3 o'clock. Right now it's bad, packed up. Come on. Ah. Oh. As you can see, frustrated drivers are everywhere else. They're all frustrated, guys, because it's bumper to bumper. It's bumper to bumper, guys. So these are the rivers I was talking about. They are completely frozen. I think now, because of the temperature has gone at least 50 degrees today and tomorrow, I'm sure we'll see the water start flowing up. But this is what's going on right now on the roads. As usual, your uncle is bringing it live, guys. This is 279, 376 East. Going to Fort Pitt Bridge. These guys are bringing brutal driving. So this is how it looks like on the bridges, guys, over here. And to my left hand side, it's our great city. If you can see, this is one of our rivers over here. It's one of our rivers over here. So basically we are going to go to Fort Pitt Bridge. That's where basically I'm going to go right now. It's a rain day. You're going to find all the season here in Pittsburg. These past couple of days it was freezing bad. All of a sudden it's a rain season. All of a sudden it's now you can get pretty much everything else over here. So this is the traffic. It's only 3 o'clock. It's only 3 o'clock. So guys, enjoy the montage because Uncle Len is on the move. Uncle Len is on the move. Just bring it to you live what is happening on our roads here in Pittsburg, Pennsylvania, the great seat of the champions. We pretty much move like less than 5 miles an hour. So that's 376 Monroeville East, but I'm heading to 376 West towards the airport, guys. So this is where I am, and this is how the temperature looks like. It's a rain day in Pittsburgh, and you know the rains are the blessings. There are other parts of the world that haven't seen the rains. So if you see the rains and you're complaining, you have to be grateful, guys, of what you have. And on my right hand side here, as you can see, it's our city. As you can see, it's our city. So this is exactly where I'm heading to, guys. This is exactly where I'm heading to. And of course, on top over there, it's Mount Washington. It's Mount Washington. Over here, the 376. But your uncle is heading this direction. This is where we are heading to, guys. So stay tuned, guys, because we want to bring it live. And from time to time, I'll continue showing you our great city. I think these are the hotels that are along the rivers. These are the hotels that are along the rivers. It's a great city, guys. So it's a busy day, very busy. It's a busy day, very, very busy, guys. So we're gonna head into Fort Pitt. It's a tunnel. You know, our city has a lot of bridges. Our city has a lot of bridges, and there are a lot of tunnels too. A lot of tunnels. So guys, just stay tuned. I just wanted to show you what happens here in Pittsburgh exactly at 3 p.m. On the East Coast. And the temperature today, I think it's about 47 degrees. The temperature is 47. No, actually it's 52 degrees, as you can see in my car. The temperature is 52 degrees. But it's a rain day. And remember that Pittsburgh, you can only see the sun only 144 days. The rest of the year, this is what we see. And this is what you're going to expect. This is what you're going to expect. So when you see a sun, it's a blessing, because that's when people go outside and just take a walk and get those vitamin Ds. Because it's rare to see the sun in Pittsburgh. In the whole 12 months, you're gonna have to see it only 144 days. The rest of the days, you find out as you woke up. Because it's not what you left yesterday, is what you're gonna expect when you woke up in the morning. It is always full of surprises. It's always full of surprises. So guys, this is what is going on. I'm just approaching the Fort Pitt. And to my right hand side there, it's Fort Pitt Museum. It's a Fort Pitt Museum, guys. Over there on my right hand side where the track is. On the track is. And on the other hand, guys, we have to be so grateful, because there are others that even in the rain, they're able to go and look for something. They're able to ask. So be grateful every day when you wake up, because what you have, not what everyone has the same thing. So what you have, wake up in the morning and just say, Lord, I thank you for what I have. Instead of complaining, you should look at what you have. Look at the open doors. Look at that you have a shelter. You have a job. You woke up, you still have your family intact. So be grateful than complaining all the time. This is just a piece of advice, guys. We approach every single day differently. You can either wake up in the morning and you start complaining, or you can wake up in the morning and say, Lord, I thank you, and just glorifying God. So guys, I just want to take you into this Fort Pitt Bridge. We are passing the Fort Pitt on the east end. That's where I am, but I'm gonna go into a tunnel. Basically, this is the first time I'll be taking a footage of Fort Pitt Tunnel today. So please bear with me. It's 3 p.m. and it's bumper to bumper. I'll try by all means not to skip anything else so that you can see for yourself. So this is the traffic. This is the traffic. Whew, guys, this is the traffic. So here you have to negotiate because there are several lanes, almost about 5 lanes heading to the same direction, but I have to get the last 2 lanes so that I'm going to the Fort Pitt Bridge. I have to get into my last 2 lanes. And the river that you're seeing over this side, that's Ohio River, guys. That's Ohio River. That's Ohio River, guys. So we are pretty much bumper to bumper over here in the tunnel. We are pretty much bumper to bumper here in the tunnel. But at the end of the day, we'll make it to the far end. We'll make it to the far end. Ooh. It's really, really slow. So here, I have to get my last 2 lanes to my left-hand side, guys. That's what I'm trying to get. So and for me to get into the way I'm supposed to go, I have to be to the last 2 lanes to my left. That's exactly what Uncle Lenny is trying to do. So this is how it is. There are about 5 lanes all emerging at the same time. So if you have to go to Fort Pitt Bridge, I have to get the last 2 lanes. So I have to go, I have one more that I need to adjust, guys. I have one more that I need to adjust. So you can see, guys, I have managed to adjust my lanes, so I'm on the right track, heading to Fort Pitt Bridge. That's where Uncle Len is taking you this afternoon, guys. I want you to see for yourself, driving in a tunnel. This is not the usual one that I normally bring you here all the time, but this is a different one. This is Fort Pitt Tunnel. That's where we are heading to. When you go on the left hand side there, you're gonna go to north end. So guys, let's go. This is Fort Pitt. So this is the end of our tunnel, guys, and thank you so very much for watching Uncle Lenny. I hope you had so much fun. I wish all of you guys that are going for work, that are already at work, have a blessed afternoon, and always remember to be grateful what you have and be grateful of the day. I love you guys. I'll see you again in the next content. Adios, amigo.